You may not always find love in February. Maybe love is lying awake in the cold nights of December, shivering, waiting for someone to warm her like home does. Or maybe love lost her way in the dense morning fogs of autumn, stranded, looking for someone to walk along with. Or maybe love is breathing spring winds, watching birds bloom slowly into colorful figures, daydreaming of someone who carries her like the gentle breeze. Or maybe love is stuck on a midsummer afternoon, sweating, longing for a shade. Or maybe love is busy dancing in the monsoon rains, all drenched, craving for a little sunshine. Or maybe love does not watch calendars, knows no dates. Maybe love is around you all year round, growing with you, looking at how your days went by, recording every little petty things you do, like how often you gaze far into the sky, how you stroll leisurely kicking pebbles on the sidewalk, how you climb up the hills to escape the city's clamor, how you rush through the hours of your work so you can settle back and bid farewell to the sun until it gets too dark to stay outside, how you slowly fall into slumber listening to your favorite songs. In every moment, maybe love is by your side while you're looking for it in the wrong direction, waiting for the right time. Maybe love passed by while you're caught up in your mind, counting all the things that went wrong that day, not realizing you just walked past your favorite place without giving it a glance. Maybe love looks different than you imagined. Maybe love does not have a ponytail nor a French braid, but a bowl cut, because love has her own choices. Maybe love isn't as pretty as you thought. Maybe love is a bit tempered, getting angry at silly things. And sometimes, love makes sad faces, thinking you would make her smile, but you believe love has no gloomy side and look at strangers with merrier guys. Maybe love is a morning person, and you keep staying awake all night, holding loneliness close to your heart. Maybe love is steering her boat alone in the ocean while you're contemplating the view from the beach. Maybe love peeps into your room every morning, but you do not see because you snooze off your alarm and go back to sleep. Maybe you didn't recognize love when love was right in front of you. Tell me, don't you always look for love out of your window? Maybe love was always hiding underneath your bed, under the piles of clothes in your closet. While you're busy daydreaming about love with romantic fantasies, maybe love was stretching its hand out for you from the dregs of reality. Don't you think of love while reading poems and prose written all over the pages? Maybe love is already there, filling up the emptiness. Maybe love isn't the light you're waiting for to guide you. Maybe love is a shadow by your feet, clinging to you, just so it could be wherever you are. Maybe love isn't a portrait face you look for in all the masterpieces of artists. Maybe love is abstract, and it takes a bit more work to see it. Maybe love walks too slow, and February is the shortest month of the year. It rushes away before love could arrive. And remember, love won't always meet you at the desired place on the scheduled time, but do not mind if you have to wait a bit longer. Love is on her way. So let Valentine go. Let February go by as it always does, because you know, February is not just a month of love. February is well adept with goodbyes too. It tiptoes over ice flakes, picks up leaves the trees shed, kisses us with a final chilly gale, and parts company with months of winter for a long, pleasant spring. So I hope you too learn to let go of things that didn't stay. Learn to let go of past lovers, dissolve the bitter taste of resentments, wash away the stains of inhibiting memories, so there's still suitable space for love to grow. Cause love isn't just a person, not just a fleeting emotion, nor a fleeting feeling to a situation. Love is the fire deep inside of us, making life breathe in our souls. Love is the God's spirit out of which the world grows. If the universe is a theater, love is what runs the show. So keep looking for love, and once you find it, love will always stay with you, every season, every day. But for now, just give it a little more time. Give yourself a little more time than one February.